In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log in new Gmail account on laptop. By the end, you'll feel confident signing in smoothly, even if it's your very first time using this account on your computer. First, make sure your laptop is connected to the internet and open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type gmail.com and press enter. This will take you to the Gmail sign-in page. If Gmail opens to a different account that's already signed in, click the profile icon in the top right and choose Add another account or Use another account. You can also open a private or incognito window if you want a completely fresh sign-in. On the Google sign-in page, type the email address for your new Gmail account and click Next. Take a second to double-check spelling mistyped addresses are a common reason sign-in fails. Now, enter your password and click Next again. If the password isn't recognized, make sure caps lock isn't on and that you're using the most recent password for this account. If your account has two-step verification turned on, you'll be prompted to confirm it's you. Depending on how you set it up, you might receive a prompt on your phone, a text message code, or be asked to use a security key. Approve the sign-in or enter the code, and select Don't Ask Again on this device only if this is your personal laptop that no one else uses. Sometimes, Google may ask you to review privacy or recovery settings if this is a brand new sign-in. Follow the on-screen prompts and continue. After that, Gmail will load your inbox. If you see a quick tour, feel free to skim it or close it and explore later. To make future sign-ins easier, consider bookmarking Gmail in your browser or pinning the tab, and keep your browser updated for the best performance. If you want this account to be the default on your laptop, sign out of all Google accounts, sign back in with this one first, then add others if needed. If you run into issues, click Forgot Email or Forgot Password on the sign-in page and follow the recovery steps. It helps to have your phone or recovery email nearby. And remember, avoid staying signed in on shared or public computers. Always sign out when you're done by clicking the profile icon and selecting Sign Out. That's it. You've successfully logged into your new Gmail account on your laptop. If this was helpful, take a moment to organize your inbox and adjust settings like your signature or theme so everything feels ready for your workflow.